Waving the white flag right here, that's enough. But we got to bring you the information. Areas along the Navasota River are now bracing for the rainfall that Matt is forecasting to be received later this evening.
Well, 6 News reporter Andrea Uribe is out driving along the river to show us some of those vulnerable areas that have already flooded in the last few weeks from the overflow of the Navasota. Andrea?
Yeah, guys, we have been driving around all of Brazos County trying to show you guys the flooded roads, the damage, and just overall submerged of materials here. And you can see at Wolf Pen Creek here, this entire park is underwater. The trees and everything have been completely submerged. And earlier today, the Brazos County Emergency Management team has been out on several roads, blocking them off to get ahead of the storm damage and keep residents far away from these vulnerable areas. The areas that have seen the most damage are along the Navasota River, which when last recorded on May 10th had reached a flood level of 15 feet, with the previous high record level being 22 feet. The emergency management team has told me that the majority of the damage they have seen in Brazos County is on the east side of Highway 6, getting towards the northeast side of the county along the Navasota River, and even some areas away from the river, as we can see here at Wolf Pen Creek. As you can see, the runoff of the river is already spilling into some popular areas, and the county has been worried for residents. And we will continue to monitor the roads that are being submerged and underwater at this time.
All right, Andrea, thank you. And of course, we want our crews to stay safe out there.